We're going to go down to Washington now, where a pair of IRS agents testified on Capitol Hill yesterday about their role in the federal investigation of Hunter Biden. The president's son is expected to formally plead guilty to two misdemeanor tax charges next week. But in an exclusive interview with CBS News, the lead case agent says, in his opinion, the evidence supported more serious charges. He's talking about felonies. Senior investigative correspondent Catherine Herridge has the story.
Do you solemnly swear?
Special Agent Joseph Ziegler is a 13-year veteran of the IRS, a registered Democrat, and until now, a confidential whistleblower.
I do.
On Wednesday, he publicly testified about his role investigating the president's son, Hunter, for tax crimes.
I'm the main case agent. I worked 95% of this tax investigation. So nice to meet you.
In an exclusive interview with CBS News, Ziegler told us he believed the evidence he gathered during the 5-year probe supported multiple felony and misdemeanor counts, including allegations Hunter Biden wrote off personal expenses as business payments.
Hotels he was blacklisted from, payments that were made to escorts, payments that are made to no-show employees.
Ziegler said he drafted this memo recommending Justice Department prosecutors charge Hunter Biden accordingly. He said the Trump-appointed U.S. Attorney David Weiss agreed, but warned other factors could sway a jury.
And David said to us that I'm getting some concern from Department of Justice Tax Division. The evidence that might come in related to his substance abuse and the death of his brother, Beau Biden, those might affect the jury's opinion.
Next week, a Delaware judge will decide whether to approve a plea agreement for two misdemeanor tax charges.
It's a matter of, are we treating all taxpayers the same?
And in this case?
And in this case, no, I don't think so.
On Wednesday, Democrats pushed back on claims of preferential treatment.
There is no evidence that Hunter Biden has received any kind of official favoritism in this prosecution for being Joe Biden's son.
But Ziegler described to CBS News a series of roadblocks that included his efforts to interview Hunter Biden's adult children about the legitimacy of his tax deductions.
What did the assistant U.S. attorney tell you?
That's going to get us into hot water.
Is that in the IRS handbook, avoiding hot water?
No, I was asking to do these certain things, and roadblock after roadblock was put up in front of me.
Ziegler also told us prosecutors would not sign off on pursuing leads that might involve President Biden.
Anytime we potentially wanted to go down the road of asking questions related to the president, that's going to take too much approvals. We can't ask those questions.
It's a politically sensitive case. Wouldn't it require additional approvals?
Yes, I do understand that, but it would be like, well, let's think about it. Let's put that on the back burner, and it would now move down to item number 50.
This probe was ongoing during the 2020 presidential election when Justice Department policy limited certain investigative steps. The U.S. Attorney in Delaware told Congress twice he had the ultimate authority on these matters. President Biden denies any involvement. Hunter Biden's attorneys call the probe thorough. Michelle.
Catherine Herridge, thank you.